Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the world of mathematics, and your teacher is Hamad Hussain. Today we are going to discuss unit number 3, chapter number 3, that is variations of class 10th. Our topic is applications of compound dividend theorem. Before going to start the compound-dividend theorem's application, first of all we will recap what is compound-dividend theorem. If A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, then A plus B over A minus B is equal to C plus D over C minus D is the first case or the first condition for the compound-dividend theorem. If A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, then A plus B over A minus B is equal to C plus D over C minus D. Second will be A minus B over A plus B is equal to C minus D over C plus D. A minus B over A plus B is equal to C minus D over C plus D. This is the compound-dividend theorem. Now we will move to exercise number 3.4. Question number 1. Prove that A ratio B is equal to C ratio D if first part is 4A plus 5B over 4A minus 5B is equal to 4C plus 5D over 4C minus 5D. By compound-dividend theorem, 4A plus 5B plus 4A minus 5B divided by 4A plus 5B minus 4A minus 5B. In simple words, numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Similarly, in right hand side, 4C plus 5D over 4C minus 5D will be written as 4C plus 5D plus 4C minus 5D over 4C plus 5D minus 4C minus 5D. Numerator plus denominator over numerator minus denominator. This is the simple form of compound-dividend theorem. Numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator on left hand side, as well as numerator plus denominator is equal divided by numerator minus denominator. Now applying, open the brackets, 4A plus 5B plus 4A minus 5B as it is, but in denominator 4A plus 5B. Plus into minus is minus 4A, and plus into minus into minus is plus 5B. Similarly, 4A plus 5D plus 4C minus 5D as it is, but 4C plus 5D plus into minus is minus 4C, and minus into minus is plus 5D. Opposite terms cancel, 5B cancel out with minus 5B, and 4A cancel with the minus 4A. On right hand side, 5D cancel with minus 5D, and 4C cancel with minus 4C. One thing, if in numerator cancelling B, then denominator must be cancelling A. And similarly on right hand side, if numerator cancel D, then denominator must be cancelled by C. 4A plus 4A is 8A divided by 5B plus 5B is 10B. Similarly, 4C plus 4C is 8C, and 5D plus 5D is 10D. 8A over 10B is equal to 8C over 10D. Multiply by 10 by 8 on both sides. Multiply by 10 by 8 on both sides, then this 10 and 8 cancel out, and similarly this 8 and 10 cancel out. We have A over B is equal to C over D. This can be written as A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, which is our required result. So this is the first part of exercise 3.4, question number 1. Now, third part. AC square plus BD square divided by AC square minus bd square is equal to c cube plus d cube divided by c cube minus d cube. Now by applying Compendo-Dividendo theorem, what is Compendo-Dividendo theorem? In simple word, numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. On right hand side, numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Thus, AC square plus BD square plus denominator AC square minus BD square. And in denominator AC square plus BD square minus AC square plus BD square. Opposite signs in the denominator. On the right hand side, C cube plus D cube plus C cube minus D cube divided by C cube plus D cube sign change minus C cube plus D cube. BD square cancel with the minus BD square and AC square cancel out with the minus AC square. Similarly, D cube cancel with the minus D cube and C cube cancel with the minus C cube. So in numerator, AC square plus AC square 2AC square, BD square plus BD square 2BD square, C cube plus C cube 2C cube and D cube plus D cube 2D cube. 2 and 2 cancel out, 2 and 2 cancel out, then we have only AC square over BD square C cube over D cube. So multiplying by D square over C square on both sides. We have A over B is equal to C over D. This can be written as A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. Students, AC square over BD square is equal to C cube over D square. On the left hand side, we have only A over B. This means that C square and D square must be terminated. So multiplying opposite or multiply by the reciprocal, that will be D square over C square. That's why we multiply by D square over C square on both sides. Left hand side we have A over B. When C cube over D cube divided by D square over C square, then C one for only power 1 left and D only power 1 left. Thus A over B is equal to C over D. This can be written as A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, which is our required result. Part number 5. PA plus QB ratio PA minus QB, PC plus QD ratio PC minus QD. Question in ratio form: PA plus QB ratio PA minus QB is equal to PC plus QD ratio PC minus QD. This can be written as PA plus QB over PA minus QB is equal to PC plus QD over PC minus QD. Now by applying Compendo-Dividendo theorem, we have PA plus QB plus PA minus QB over PA plus QB minus PA plus QB. Numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator on left hand side as well as on right hand side. When minus apply in the denominator, then sign will be changed. Now QB cancel with minus QB and PA cancel out with minus PA. Similarly on right hand side, QD cancel with minus QD and PC cancel with minus PC. So PA plus PA is 2 times PA and QB plus QB is 2 times QB. And PC plus PC 2 PC over QD plus QD 2 QD. 2 PA over 2 QB is equal to 2 PC over 2 QD. 2 and 2 all cancel out. Now multiplying by reciprocal of P over Q, that is Q over P on both sides. We have A over B is equal to C over D. This can be written as A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, which is our required result. Student, here we have PA over QB is equal to PC over QD. We have to make only A over B. This means that P over Q should be eliminated. That's why we multiply by the reciprocal of P over Q, that is Q over P. So Q over P, and when here Q over P multiply, then P cancel with P and Q cancel with Q, we have only C over D. This can be written as A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. This is the part number 5. Now part number 6. A plus B plus C plus D over A plus B minus C minus D is equal to A minus B plus C minus D over A minus B minus C plus D. Student, A plus B plus C plus D, A plus B minus C minus D, A minus B plus C minus D over A minus C minus B plus D. Now by applying Compendo-Dividendo theorem, numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator on left hand side. Similarly, on right hand side, numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Now open the brackets, we have A plus B plus C plus A plus B minus C minus D divided by A plus B plus C plus D minus A minus B plus C plus D. On right hand side, A minus B plus C minus D plus A minus B minus C plus D divided by A minus B plus C minus D minus A plus B plus C minus D. When my minus apply, then A plus minus A minus B plus C plus D. Similarly, on the right hand side, minus A plus B plus C minus D. So cancel the opposite term, C cancel out with minus C, D cancel with the minus. In numerator C and D cancel out, then in denominator must be A and B cancel out. So A cancel with minus A and B cancel with minus B. Similarly on right hand side, C cancel with minus C and D cancel with minus D, and so in denominator A cancel with minus A and B minus B cancel with plus B. So we have A plus B plus A plus B over C plus D plus C plus D, which means that A plus A plus B over C plus C plus D plus D. On right hand side, A minus B plus A minus B over C plus D plus C minus D, which means that 2A plus 2B over 2C plus 2D is equal to 2A minus 2B over 2C minus 2D. Taking 2 common, we have 2 into A plus B over 2 into C plus D is equal to 2 into A minus B over 2 into C minus D. 2 and 2 cancel out. Similarly, 2 and 2 cancel out. We have A plus B over C plus D is equal to A minus B over C minus D. Student, at this point we could not apply the Compendo-Dividendo theorem. Why? Because on left hand side same variable and on right hand side should be same variable. In our case, A, B, C, D on left hand side and similarly A, B, C, D on right hand side, which means that we have to interchange these two terms, A minus B over A minus B and C plus D. For that, we will apply Alternado theorem. We will apply Alternado theorem. This will become A plus B over A minus B is equal to C plus D over C minus D. Now, same variable on left hand side, similarly same variables on right hand side. Now we can easily apply Compendo-Dividendo theorem. That is A plus B plus A minus B over A plus B minus A plus B is equal to C plus D plus C minus D over C plus D minus C plus D. Now A plus B plus A minus B over plus B minus B over A plus B minus A plus B C plus D plus C minus D over C plus D minus C minus D. Same terms cancel out. We have only A plus A, that is 2A, B plus B, that is 2B, C plus C is 2C and D plus D is 2D. 2 cancel out, 2 cancel out. We have A over B is equal to C over D. This can be written as A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. Then part number 8. A square plus B square over A square minus B square is equal to AC plus BD over AC minus BD. Now we can apply compendo dividendo theorem. Numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. The sign will be changed. Minus a square and plus b square. Similarly, on right hand side, numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator. Then sign change. Plus AC in denominator minus AC and minus BD denominator will be plus BD. B square cancel out with minus B square and A square cancel with minus A square. BD cancel with minus BD and AC cancel with minus AC. We have A square plus A square, which means that 2A square. B square plus B square means that 2B square. AC plus AC 2AC. BD plus BD 2BD. 2a square over 2b square is equal to 2ac over 2bd. 2 cancel with 2 and 2 cancel with 2. We have a square over b square is equal to ac over bd. Here we have a square over b square, but we have only a over b for the proof, which means that one power will eliminate, which means that we will multiply reciprocal of a over b, that is b over a on both sides. If a square over b square multiplied by b over a, then we have a over b, and when ac over bd multiplied by b over a, we have c over d. A over b is equal to c over d. This can be written as a ratio b is equal to c ratio d, which is our required result. Thank you, students. If you have any question, you can ask me anytime. Thank you and have a nice